Hi friends, today we're going to be writing the cursive word quadrilateral. To start, let's define it. The definition of a quadrilateral is a four-sided, two-dimensional shape. So some examples you'll see below. We have this rectangle and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Because it has 4 sides, this would fall into the category of quadrilateral. Now you'll also see we have this trapezoid right here. Same thing, I'm just going to count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can keep going with this parallelogram. 1, 2, 3, 4. And even with this odd looking shape here, as long as it has 4 sides, it'll be considered a quadrilateral. Alright, now that we understand a little bit more what quadrilateral means, let's go ahead and try to write it. To start, let's see if there's any special things that we need to take notice of. And there really isn't for this word. We're going to do our letters pretty standard. The one thing I will point out is that for your uppercase letter, for quad, for that Q, it is going to connect to the U. So just make sure when you're writing that you don't pick up your pencil. Alright, let's go ahead and write it. And remember, we're going to go nice and slow, and we're going to try to not pick up our pencil so it's one nice fluid movement. And remember, if yours doesn't look like mine, that's okay, because cursive is a style and we're just trying to do our best. Alright, let's start at the top with this Q. It almost looks like the number 2. We're going to loop it on the bottom, and again, we're attaching this uppercase Q to our U. So we're going to go about halfway for our U. Back down to connect to our A. Again, we're going to that midway line. Our D looks a lot like an A, but you're going to go ahead and go up about 3/4 of the way in a straight line, come back down, connect to our R, our I, again halfway. Notice I'm not touching or giving it its little dot just yet. I'll come back for that. Our L was about 3/4, halfway for our A, 3/4 for our T, and again we'll come back to cross it, halfway for our E, connect for our R, halfway for our A, and 3/4 for our L. That is one long word. Alright, now that we've written it, we can go back and dot our I's and cross our T's. So we'll dot that I, cross our T, and there you have it, the word quadrilateral. For more practice, please subscribe to my channel and see the show notes for links to similar videos. I'll also go ahead and link in the description my Teacher Pay Teacher, where you can find my cursive practice pages. Thank you for watching, and remember, cursive is a skill, so the more you practice, the better you'll get. I'll see you next time. Bye!